family's complaint also alleges that the festival didn't have qualified medical personnel on site. Tonight, festival organizers did not let us inside. They said they would try tomorrow, and they also declined for a chance to interview. Thousands converging on Lake San Antonio for one of the most anticipated weekends of the year.
Lightning in a bottle.
But this year, a dark cloud casts over festival goers after 20-year-old Bailey Gatlin died after last year's festival.
That was really sad.
Gatlin died of multiple organ failure, hyperthermia, and dehydration.
They're pretty good at festivals like this about they have like, what are they called?
Coolers. And
No, like water tanks that we can like fill up our camel bag.
Gatlin's family announced a lawsuit this week against the festival's organizer, Do Lab, alleging the festival did not have qualified medical personnel on site.
I think with tens of thousands of people, they do a pretty good job of keeping it safe, having emergency personnel there.
The original autopsy from the San Luis Obispo County Coroner's Office said Gatlin died from an LSD overdose. Although she did have LSD, meth, and marijuana in her bag at the festival, they later said that cause of death was incorrect. According to a San Luis Obispo County Sheriff's investigation, the festival's medical staff began caring for Gatlin around 7 p.m., but an ambulance was not called until just after 1 a.m. She arrived at the hospital at 1:36 a.m. and would later pass away around 4 in the morning. We asked if the festival has made any changes to medical staff this year. Organizers we spoke with said they couldn't answer that, and they declined to interview. According to Lightning in a Bottle's website, medical teams will be available 24 hours a day throughout the weekend. This is now the festival's 5th year. Dan, Aaron.
Thank you very much, Christopher. 25,000 people attended last year's Lightning in a Bottle Festival. Even more are anticipated this year.